Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode of Crafting with the Kiddos. So yes, the kiddos are on here right now. They're going to show you their final project, but I want to show you what we did. If you remember in the haul a few weeks ago, I got these little melty kits with the little pearl beads and the little frames that go with them. This one is a heart, and then this one is just a little rectangle that said love on it. And the ones they chose to do were cupcakes, and I think I threw the original packaging away, but they look like this. So I wanted to show you what come with the kit, and then let them show you how it turned out, and show you what I had to use to do them. So in each one of the kits, for the cupcake, it came with the square little plastic frame, and then it came with the melty beads, and you got, this is what was left over, so you got plenty of beads. It came with the instruction sheet, and then it came with the little guide to show you where to place the beads. Now what I did with these, I put the guide up under here, and we used double-sided tape around the edges and taped it on there so the kids could do it very easily. And of course they did not have to use the guide at all if they didn't want to. They could come up with their own colors and combinations and stuff. And then it came with a piece of the little wax paper that goes on top of the beads, so when you iron them. Now, supposedly, you're able to iron these things on high setting, and I just used my regular iron, and it was on high setting, and it was very hot. Matter of fact, it's still hot. And I have to tell you, you're supposed to iron them in circular motion for 30 to 40 seconds, and then remove it. Well, it did not work. I wound up using my heat tool, which did work. What I did was I heated all the pearly beads up with the heat tool and got them hot and started melting. And then I went over it with the hot iron to make sure it was flattened out. Otherwise, we'd have been here to tomorrow trying to get those beads to melt with the hot iron. So I just wanted to give you that tip. But they did work. And so now I'm going to let the kiddos show you their project.
Hi. So, for my cupcake, for the beads, I used purple, pink, blue, gray, and red. Yeah.
Can you hold it up because I can't see it? So what I was saying, they did glue together finally. This is the back side that has the glue on it. I mean, where they melted it. And I'm telling you, the heat gun worked amazing on it. There you go, Jay-Bird.
Thank you.
Okay, so Kathleen is going to come show you hers.
So what I did was I did a pattern with purple and pink and gray and blue. And then I did some colorful sprinkles.
To the camera. Can you put a little bit closer? So when they melt, they really do come out cute. But the problem, like I said, we had was melting. And unless you have an older teen doing these, you really do need adult supervision to do these, because it has to be extremely hot to get this melted. And like I said, this was the best way to do it, was my heat tool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, what do we do, Jaden?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
That's the same thing as like Sweet Pea.
What?
All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. Well.